Hello people of YouTube, I'm John and I'm back again with another product spotlight. Today we have something from Atlas, so let's go to the workbench and take a look. Alright, here's what we're looking at today. This is an HO scale 2-bay offset hopper. It's decorated for Norfolk Southern. This model goes for $25.95. It's by Atlas and it's in their TrainMan series. At the time of this recording, there's no further information available on their website because this run is not actually released yet. So I've managed to scrutinize the paint and markings on this model and found it to be excellent. You can read everything, even the build date of April 1957. It's all there and it's all legible. Taking a close look at the brake end, you can see that the brake wheel is in fact a separately applied piece, and this does have body-mounted Accumate knuckle couplers. Something else I wanted to point out is that even though this is a TrainMan model, you can see that there's some brake detail included down in there. And since we're looking at it anyway, I figured I'd show you the other side of the car. You can see the brake detail from this side, from this angle down in here. Pretty cool. And on our way around the car, we're going to take this brief stop and look at the A end. Alright, well, it took a little bit of effort, but I did manage to get the coal load out. And you can see the interior of the car is not particularly detailed. Now, it did come with this parts bag, and I'm going to assume that these parts are for bracing inside the model. Now, I say that because it didn't come with instructions. So it would have been nice to have instructions for this, because I'm looking at it and I can't figure out any other place where this extra part bag stuff would go other than inside the model. And I've seen that on other cars like this, where there would be bracing inside here, so that if you're going to run the car unloaded, it would look right. So maybe if anybody out there knows what the extra parts are for, you could tell us in the comments section below. I'd sure appreciate that. And finally, we'll look at the bottom here. You can see there's some pretty decent discharge gate detail. It's not overwhelming or astounding, but it looks good. And you have to remember, this is a TrainMan model, so it's not going to be the best of the best or the most detailed, because this is considered Atlas's budget line. I think this is a pretty cool model. I like the fact that you can take the coal load out so that you can run them empty if you want to. And I know that most coal cars like this have that option. There's just something about the load in this one that I think looks better than some of what I've seen before. And I can't put my finger on it, but it's definitely there. And despite it being only a TrainMan line piece of rolling stock, I think it looks really good. So the other cool thing about TrainMan is that it gives you the opportunity to super detail the model. So I know a lot of people really enjoy that part of the hobby. So good job, Atlas. I'll see you next time.